Suno AI, how to get the exact song length every time ever generated a song on Suno AI and it came out way too long or frustratingly short. You are not alone. This is one of the most common problems creators face on the platform, and today I am going to show you exactly how to control your song length every single time. No more wasting credits. No more guessing, let's get into it. So here is the deal. Suno AI does not have a simple slider where you type in 3 minutes and it gives you a 3-minute song. The length of your song is actually determined by a combination of factors, including the model version you are using, how many lyrics you write, how you structure your meta tags, and whether you use the extend feature. Once you understand these levers, you gain real control over your output. Let me walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Choose the right model version. This is your foundation. Suno's older models like V2 only generated about 1 minute and 20 seconds of audio. V3.5 and V4 bumped that up to about 4 minutes per generation. But if you are on V4.5 or the latest V5.5, you can generate up to 8 minutes of music in a single shot. To switch between versions, just look for the model drop-down menu to the right of the custom mode option on your Create page. If you want longer songs, make sure you are on the newest model available to your plan. Step 2. Control your lyric length. This is where most people go wrong. Think of Suno like a recording tape with a limited length. Just because you can enter thousands of characters in the lyrics box does not mean you should. Suno has to compose, breathe, and find a rhythm for every single syllable you give it. So if you stuff 16 lines into each verse, you are not writing a song, you are writing a manifesto. The AI will stretch the track out trying to accommodate all those words, and you will end up with a 5 or 6 minute track that drags. For a tight 2.5-minute song, aim for around 1 verse and 1 chorus with concise lyrics. Each additional verse you add forces Suno to find a new melody or transition, which typically adds about 30 to 60 seconds to your track. Step 3. Use structure meta tags properly. Meta tags are those keywords in square brackets that you place in the lyrics field. Tags like intro, verse, chorus, bridge, and outro. These tell Suno exactly how to organize your song. The key rule for controlling length is always end with an outro tag. For a clean, definitive ending, combine your outro tag with a fade out or end tag. Without these, Suno may just keep generating or trail off awkwardly. Also, place your meta tags in the lyrics field, not the style prompt box, and keep it focused. Do not stack 6 tags on one line because that creates competing instructions and unpredictable results. Step 4. Use the extend feature for precision. If your initial generation came out a little short, you do not need to start over. Go to your Suno library, click the 3 dots next to your track and choose Extend. You will see a waveform where you can drag a slider to pick exactly where the extension begins. Add new lyrics for the next section, maybe a bridge or an outro, hit Create, and Suno will generate 2 new variations. Pick the one that fits best. Then once you are happy, click the 3 dots on that final clip and select Get Whole Song. This merges everything into one seamless track at your desired length. Step 5. Trim it down if needed. If your song came out a bit long, use Suno's built-in song editor. You can crop sections or apply fades to tighten things up after generation. This is your final polish. Now here is your pro tip. The single biggest factor in song length is not your tags or your model, it is your word count. If you are consistently getting songs that are too long, cut your lyrics in half. Seriously. One creator reported having to cut over half their lyrics just to trim 1 minute off a track. Less words equals a tighter, punchier song. Quality over quantity every time. Alright, let's recap. Choose the right model version for your target length. Keep your lyrics lean and concise. Use structure meta tags, especially that outro tag, to tell Suno where to stop. Use extend to add length precisely, and use the song editor to trim if you overshoot. Master these 5 steps and you will nail your song length every single time. If this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more Suno AI tutorials. And drop a comment below, what is the biggest problem you have run into with Suno? I would love to hear about it and maybe make a video on it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.